Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I'm also doing well. Today I want to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speak English. So let's begin. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, it's time to never give up for my dream as well as I should be struggle hard for my own life because I need to become a good speaker. I believe that if I have more struggle then I will be able to do. That's why I'm trying my best day by day. To be honest, it was really bad. If you don't believe me for yourself, because in my village, most of the peoples are really bad. If you have work in the field, then most of the people say you can't do it. I think if you believe me for yourself, then you will make a lots of money for yourself. I think no need to tell about your dream and what's going on in your life because I think there are most of the people are really bad if you a good person. That's why I decided I will be become a bad person. Then I think it's a much better for myself as well as my family. Maybe it was very bad if you don't believe me for yourself. According to you, you need to continue concentrations and more practice, then I think it will be better for your life as well as your dream. I think in my village there has been lots of problem. Then I don't want to share about someone because if I want to share my advice, then most of the people say you won't be able to do. That's why I won't share my thoughts. But if I keep silent and work hard, then I think I will be able to achieve for my dream as soon as possible. Additionally, if you have a good person in my village, that was really bad for yourself. I think if you work hard and don't tell me for someone, then you will have been achieved for your dream as soon as possible. So that's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your patience, Harry. See you next video.